Okay, so in this problem here, we have just some generic r cis theta. And so if I draw this out, I know I'm going to have some complex number here, where this is theta, and this is r, and I'll call this z. So if I want to do the conjugate, if I think about z is equal to a plus bi, if this is a and this is b, so this would be the point AB, the conjugate then is equal to a minus bi. And so it's going to be over minus here. And so these triangles are congruent, and so this angle is just negative theta. And so the conjugate in complex form or polar form is r cis negative theta.